Thank you for purchasing the Elk Ridge Trek Series razor blade manual pocket knife. These blades have an extremely sharp edge. First, place thumb on the front side of the blade. With an index and pointer fingers on the underside, push the lower middle section of the blade up to raise the U-shaped section of the blade, and slide the blade slightly forward. Once fully forward, the blade will easily lift clear of the anchor bar and is ready to be discarded. Place the new blade over the anchor bar assembly and gently push forward until the blade clicks into place with the U section firmly behind the pivot pin. Make sure the thumb rest is in a locked position.